Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel Technical Solution. Myself Manish. I am going to teach frequency modulation. That is a topic from communication. What is frequency modulation? Frequency modulation is defined as the changing the frequency of carrier signal in accordance with message signal amplitude variation. That is the basic definition of frequency modulation. There is a standard equation of frequency modulation which is given as S FMT equal to AC cos 2 pi FCT plus 2 pi KF integration of MT dt. This is a standard frequency modulation equation in which Fc is carrier frequency and Kf is frequency sensitivity and Mt is message signal, where message signal Mt is given as Am cos 2 pi Fmt. Okay, there are two types of variation in frequency modulation, that is frequency variation and phase variation. What is frequency variation? If frequency is changing, then it is known as frequency variation. If phase is changing, then it is known as phase variation. Frequency is changing, that means something is added into the frequency. That means in Fc some frequency is added, and in phase variation, in phase, that is some phase is added, that is known as phase variation. And suppose this whole term is taken as a theta, then we can also write as SFMT equal to AC cos theta I t, where theta I t equal to 2 pi Fi t. If you want to calculate what is this Fi, then differentiate both sides. That means d theta I t divided by dt equal to 2 pi Fi. What is Fi? This is 1 divided by 2 pi d theta I by dt. This whole is considered as a theta, as I already told. Okay. If I put this theta I, this equation into this, then what I get, that is Fi equal to 1 upon 2 pi in bracket, that is d by dt, in bracket 2 pi Fct plus 2 pi Kf integration of Mt dt. Okay, we have to differentiate this. Then Fi equal to, this 2 pi is cancelled with this 2 pi, 2 pi, 2 pi. Okay, d by dt of this Fct is known as Fc plus this differentiation and this integration is cancelled out, and this is written as Kf Mt. This is our carrier frequency. Okay, and this is the deviation in frequency, that is represented as delta f. That means instantaneous frequency is given as Hc plus delta f, where delta f is Kf Mt. We can also say that this is the frequency variation of FM signal. If we want to calculate the phase variation of FM signal, that is something is added into the phase, that means this is phase and this term is represented as phi. Okay, this is a phase, and in this phase something is added, that is phase deviation. Then what is the phase deviation of FM signal? That is delta phi of Fm is equal to 2 pi kf integration of mt dt. Okay, this is known as delta phi of Fm. If we consider this mt is am cos 2 pi fmt, then what is the maximum phase deviation of a frequency modulation? Then the maximum value of cos phi or sin phi is 1, and if we integrate this am cos 2 pi fmt, then we get integration of this am cos 2 pi fmt, then we get am divided by 2 pi fm sin 2 pi fmt. Okay, what is the maximum value of this? The maximum value of this is am 2 pi fm. Okay, put this value, this maximum value in this, then we get the maximum phase deviation of fm signal is 2 pi kf into am divided by 2 pi fm. This 2 pi cancel. This is kf am by fm. This is the maximum phase deviation of a FM signal. We can calculate the maximum frequency deviation of a FM signal as well as the maximum phase deviation of a FM signal. The maximum phase deviation is given by this phi value. This maximum phase deviation is given by this, and frequency deviation, that is this delta f, which is something added in frequency, that is known as frequency deviation. The given question of angle modulation is given as st equal to cos 2 pi 2 into 10 power 60 plus 30 sin 150t plus 40 cos 150t. This question was asked in GATE 2002 as well as in CSIR 2014. And in this we have to find what is maximum frequency deviation, that is delta f, and maximum phase deviation, that is delta phi. Then how to calculate the maximum phase deviation? That means something is added in phase, something is added in angle is known as phase deviation. Then this we have to find the maximum value of this phase. This is already a phase, 2 into 10 power 60 plus this is another phase. Okay, delta phi. Then if we multiply this 2 pi inside the bracket, then what we get? st equal to cos 2 pi into 2 into 10 to the power 60 plus 2 pi in bracket 30 sin 150t plus 40 cos 150t. We have to find the maximum value of a sin theta t plus b sin theta t. What is the maximum value of a sin theta t plus b sin b cos theta t? This maximum value is given as under root a square plus b square. Therefore, the maximum value of 30 sin 150t plus 40 cos 150t is given as delta phi of fm. Okay, and 2 pi is multiplied in this here. 2 pi in bracket under root 30 square plus 40 square. That is 2 pi in bracket 900 plus 1600. This comes to be 50, and this is 2 pi, that is 100 pi. The maximum phase deviation of fm is given as this 100 pi. And the next value we have to calculate. Then this is 2 pi to 2 to the power 60. We have to find that frequency in which it is added. Then as we already know that fi equal to 1 upon 2 pi d theta I upon dt. Okay, and this theta is inside this 2 pi from here to here. As I discussed, if we put this theta inside this, then how to get the frequency deviation? We have to differentiate this equation. What I have to do is we have to put this theta I inside this equation. Okay, then this fi is 1 upon 2 pi. This is 2 pi into 2 into 10 to the power 6t plus this is d by dt plus 30 into sine 150t plus 40 cos 150t. Okay, if you multiply this 2 pi inside this equation, this 2 pi is cancelled with this, and differentiation of this is given as 2 into 10 power 6 t. T is d by dt, dt by dt is 1, that is 2 into 10 power 6 plus 30. The differentiation of sine 150t is 150 into cos 150t, and differentiation of cos is minus sine, that means minus 40 into 150 sine 150t. And as we know that this is our carrier frequency fc, and this whole is delta f. Then again, how to find the maximum of this? The maximum value of this a cos theta t plus or minus b sin theta is given as under root a square plus b square. That means this delta f, the maximum value of this is given as this 30 into 150 cos 150t minus 40 into 150 sin 150t. We have to find the maximum value of this. Maximum value of, if this is find out by this magnitude and this magnitude, that is under root 30 into 150. 30 into 150, that is 4500 square plus 40 into 150, that means 6000 square, 7.5 kilohertz. In this way, we find that the maximum frequency deviation is 7.5 kilohertz, whereas the maximum phase deviation of frequency modulation is 100 pi. Okay, thank you.